Thanks for staying with us here on the afternoon prime time. Now, the GPS sets recovered from the terrorists who carried out the attack in Gurdaspur have been examined. The data analysis shows that two routes the terrorists were supposed to take, and both these routes actually originate in Pakistan and they merge a few kilometers before Dinanagar. Vishal with us, getting us the latest update. Vishal, now even the Home Minister there confirming in the Parliament that yes, this GPS data is actually pointing to a clear Pakistan hand.
Yeah, that's true. The GPS data has clearly pointed out that the whole journey of these three terrorists started from Pakistan. Now, data of one of the GPS system is with us. It says that the coordinates 321206.1 started with village Maskar, in Ravi River village Rajputana, near village Malkana, and they even had they wanted to go towards Saroji Mataji temple. That was also one of the target where they had gone, and later on they went toward the near railway track where they planted the three bombs. So all the three GPS data that has been revealed as of now really clearly shows that it was the originating point was Pakistan. Now, we were talking to the former DGP SS Virk also. He categorically stated the latest weapons that have been recovered from these terrorists clearly points out that there could be a Taliban angle to whole thing also, because the night vision devices held the key and had the American marking that the American devices are available in Afghanistan. They could have been smuggled into Pakistan and then from Pakistan into India. So it is a major cause of concern for the security agencies, and this paper clearly shows the third GPS marking, which says the final destination was SSM College, Dinanagar, and they had really planted bomb near railway tracks, Talwandi near Dinanagar, near Chotu Nagar Mandir, Dinanagar at Tem. And also one of the target was Sanjoti Mata temple at Dinanagar. So it clearly points out that the originating point was from Pakistan. Now the security agencies are trying to basically ascertain more facts from the GPS devices because it could hold the key to the route plan which was planned from Pakistan to Gurdaspur.
All right, and Vishal, we are in fact putting out that graphic also which was showing the two routes that you're talking about. Stay with us. This is also how the DGP perhaps is trying to add more information now to what we already know about this GPS data.
You see, most of the markings of US equipment on whatever has been found, you see, most of it was with the Taliban earlier. It came into their hands, and from there it traveled into Pakistan, where it has been used by their agents in India also. It has happened in the past also, and here also we are very clear that it is the Taliban groups, splinter groups, which are acting in this kind of misadventure.
Another important aspect is, sir, you've been fighting war against these Khalistani terrorists. Now, do you think this could really lead to revival of terrorism in Punjab, sir?
You see, so far as Punjab militancy is concerned, I don't see much of a scope, because the popular support which is required for such movements is not there at present. So, but you see the kind of action which has taken place by a few people coming through the sea route and entering Bombay, and now they are entering through land route and creating problem in a rural area in Punjab. So my feeling is that it can set some kind of a trend against which our security agencies have to be very careful.